The 2026 Ram ProMaster van is set to make a big splash in the commercial vehicle market with several exciting updates and enhancements. Ram has listened to customer feedback and incorporated improvements that focus on performance, efficiency, and versatility. The new model promises to be a game changer for businesses and tradespeople who rely on a dependable and spacious workhorse. With its bold styling and advanced features, the 2026 ProMaster is designed to stand out on the road while delivering unmatched functionality. One of the most notable updates for the 2026 Ram ProMaster is the introduction of a new hybrid powertrain option. This marks Ram's commitment to sustainability without sacrificing power. The hybrid system combines a fuel-efficient gas engine with an electric motor, providing improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. This is a major selling point for businesses looking to cut operating costs while meeting stricter environmental regulations. The traditional gasoline and diesel engines have also been refined for better performance and efficiency, ensuring there's a ProMaster to suit every need. Inside, the 2026 ProMaster boasts a more modern and ergonomic cabin designed for comfort and convenience. The dashboard has been redesigned with a user-friendly layout, featuring a larger touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and enhanced connectivity options. Ram has also added more storage solutions throughout the cabin, including larger door pockets, a redesigned center console, and additional cup holders. For those who spend long hours on the road, the improved seating with better lumbar support will be a welcome upgrade. Cargo space has always been a strong point for the ProMaster, and the 2026 model takes it to the next level. The van offers best-in-class cargo capacity, with multiple wheelbase and roof height configurations available. The load floor is now even flatter, making it easier to slide heavy items in and out. Ram has also reinforced the van's structure for increased durability, ensuring it can handle heavy loads day in and day out. New available features like a hands-free power liftgate and an advanced cargo management system further enhance productivity for busy professionals. Safety has been a major focus for the 2026 Ram ProMaster, with the addition of several advanced driver assistance systems. Standard features now include forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping assist. Available upgrades include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system for easier maneuvering in tight spaces. These technologies not only protect the driver and cargo but also help reduce insurance costs for business owners. On the technology front, the 2026 ProMaster comes equipped with Ram's latest Uconnect system, offering faster response times and more intuitive controls. Fleet managers will appreciate the available telematics system, which provides real-time data on vehicle location, fuel usage, and maintenance needs. This helps businesses optimize their operations and minimize downtime. The van also supports over-the-air updates, ensuring that the software stays current with the latest features and improvements. Pricing for the 2026 Ram ProMaster is expected to be competitive, with the base model starting slightly higher than the outgoing version due to the added features and improvements. However, the long-term savings from the hybrid option and enhanced fuel efficiency make it a smart investment. Ram is also offering attractive financing and leasing options for commercial buyers, along with a comprehensive warranty package for peace of mind. The 2026 Ram ProMaster is shaping up to be one of the most capable and efficient vans in its class. With its powerful engine options, spacious interior, and cutting-edge technology, it's ready to meet the demands of today's businesses. Whether you're a delivery driver, contractor, or fleet operator, the ProMaster offers the versatility and reliability needed to get the job done. Stay tuned for more updates as Ram gets closer to the official launch date, and be sure to test drive one as soon as it hits dealerships. This van could be the perfect addition to your business fleet.